Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking about Chatterbox TTS. That's a text-to-speech model. uh, I know some of you are coming from my other video that I showed you how to run Chatterbox TTS, but the code doesn't work anymore. So I have come up with a fix for it. So this is the notebook that I'm running right now that has the fix. uh, it, sorry it has around 4 cells, and you just connect or upload the notebook and click on run all. Make sure that your runtime is on T4 GPU. I'm quite fast today. I'm making this video fast, but you'll see. So once you have that running, wait for it, and on the last cell until you get something like this here. So there'll be this link here. Just click on it here. After this warning, this function may stop working, you get this link. Click on that, it will spin up a new interface for you. So that will tell you that Chatterbox TTS is loaded on CUDA. So the model is first, that is active, Chatterbox first. So you can generate the voice text. Input your text here, can generate the voice. So you'll just input your text here. Once you input your text, you can have these brackets here and input the filling. So let's just generate. You'll see, generate. So while you generate on the server backend here on our notebook, you'll notice that there's chunking and all that logs going on. So you can see, so generating and the percentage is being shown. So let's go back here and wait. Let's give it a few seconds. Chatterbox is quite really good. So let's wait. And also you can use Chatterbox for voice cloning. While we wait, I'm currently at 97 subscribers. It will be a huge favor for you to get me to 100 subs. I'll really appreciate, and by doing that you automatically support my work. So let's the audio has been generated now. Let's check it out.
Okay, we have 15 minutes left. 15 minutes. How have we been in here for 45 minutes and only solved 2 puzzles? Let's
You can
think
see
logically.
that there's this cough. So there's those expressions that you use on Chatterbox. Let's try a different text here. Scientific abstract reading. I'm also going to select a different voice. Let me go with Alexander and say generate. So give it a while also to spin up the server and generate. I've actually tackled a few of these text-to-speech models, and some have voice cloning, some they don't have. You can check them out in my YouTube channel. So the audio has been generated. Let's check it out.
Recent advances in neural network architectures have demonstrated remarkable capabilities in natural language understanding and generation. This study presents a comprehensive analysis of transformer-based models, examining their attention mechanisms and their emergent properties at scale. Our findings indicate that model performance scales predictably with compute resources following established power laws.
So this is a quite good setup for you to use to generate your text to speech. You can use it in many different ways. There is also voice cloning. You just import voice, but make sure your voice is clear. The reference voice must be clear and also under 30 seconds. So that's what you need to consider, and it should be .wav or mp3. So that's your tech. So mess around with this, and for the people that told me that the code had an issue, I really thank you for that. And now that I've made this updated fix, what I can say is that see you on the next one, guys. Peace out. Thank you so much.